Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. I'm in between clients, so I only have a couple minutes to chat with you. But I've been really thinking about these videos, and my goal with these is I want to help people. And so this is my gift to you. I want to share my knowledge, my expertise with you, and I want to be able to help you guys look and feel your best every single day. This goes for men, it goes for women, it goes for anybody that's suffering from skin or skin problems. And today, since it's Monday, it's the beginning of the new year. People are just getting back to work, getting back to school. Everybody's life is starting to come back together. And so today, I really want to start some motivation and get you to really think about your skin. What is it you want to achieve with your skin? There's so many skin problems out there, and I feel like there's more and more problems popping up every single day. And honestly, being in this business for 14 years, I've seen a lot. I mean, I learned completely different 14 years ago when I was in school than I'm working on clients now. The biggest problem is there's so much noise in the media. There's so much information. Everybody's an expert nowadays. And here's the thing, I'm glad there's so many people out there that are doing their research, that are learning, and that are sharing their knowledge. But I think it's overkill. You need to really start to think about your skin as an organ. It's related to everything inside our body. So if there's something out of balance, it's going to show through our skin. Our skin is a detox organ. So all these myths about what you're putting on your skin and how it's getting in our bloodstream, that's false. It's what we're eating that's getting into our bloodstream, or something we're inhaling through fragrance, through candles, from stuff in our houses. That's how it's getting into our body. It's not getting in through our skin. So right now I'm going to bust that myth. I'm going to tell you that nothing you put on your skin is going to get into it unless it's got a delivery system. And even if you peel it away, you're still not going to get it in because your skin is held together by this intercellular glue. It's not going to let anything in your skin. So it's what we're eating and it's what we're inhaling that's getting into our bodies. The other thing I want you to think about is there's so much information and nobody knows what products to buy. You go into Ulta, into Sephora, and it's like, even I get overwhelmed, and I'm in this business. So I can't imagine how somebody who has no experience and no knowledge of skin would feel walking into one of these stores. And the girls there, they're just trained to sell product. They really have no skin experience. So if you ask them about your skin, they really can't help you because they don't even know how to treat their own skin. They're just going based on what they're reading, what they're hearing, what they're learning from the social media and from the media in general. So I'm here to take my 14 years knowledge and share it with you. I want to see you guys look and feel good. I want to see as many people in this world look and love their skin because you truly deserve to look and feel beautiful. Everybody deserves to have great skin, and it's all about educating you and getting you to understand what is causing your skin to freak out the way it is. It might be what you're putting on your skin. It might be a reaction to something. It may be a skin allergy. It may be a food allergy that you don't even know you have, and it's just causing your skin to react in a different way. So I just want everybody to be aware of what is going on in the media and with our skin. So that way, now that you know some of this stuff, you should be able to have some tools and some guidance when you're out shopping. So here's the first thing I want to leave you. Well, there's one thing that I want to leave you with today. And it's whatever you're putting on your face. If it doesn't feel right, that's your skin telling you that it doesn't belong on your skin. So I want you right now to think about, how does it feel? Does it feel tight? Does it feel dry? Do you feel itchy? And I know it's been really cold, so obviously everything we're putting on our skin right now is like, it's making it feel tight and dry. So besides from the weather, normally when you put your skincare products on, it should not feel tight and dry. When you wash your face, it shouldn't feel so tight that you need moisturizer. If you're scrubbing twice a day or multiple times a week, you should only be exfoliating up to twice a week. Otherwise, you're stripping your skin of oil and you're drying it out even more. So you really need to be aware of the products out there. When you're putting moisturizer on, does it feel hydrated enough? Or do your skin feel like it needs more moisture? That's a sign you need a thicker moisturizer. There's so many things out there that, there's so many signs out there, and your skin is really telling you. So you really need to pay attention of what you're putting on it and listen and think about how it really feels after each application of different products. So I really hope I was able to help you guys today. If anybody has any other questions, start comment below, or after I'm done with this post. Thanks for the thumbs up. after I'm done with this, start commenting. Ask me questions. If you want more video, start sharing or writing some questions so I can start creating content. My client's here, so I gotta go. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.